Newton Area Gang Enforcement Detail officers were in the area of 42nd Place and North Avalon Boulevard, monitoring a known gang area when they heard the sounds of gunfire. As they drove towards the sound of gunfire, they saw a male suspect walking in the roadway armed with a handgun.
Yeah, Avalon and 42nd. I just want all right. I'm gonna grab this left, okay? Move it.
After being taken into custody, the officers rendered medical aid to Hernandez by placing him in a recovery position until paramedics arrived. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Hernandez to a local hospital to be treated for the gunshot wounds he sustained as a result of the officer-involved shooting. While there, medical staff determined that his wounds would require further treatment and admitted him into the hospital.